How to redeem American Airlines miles. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem American Airlines miles. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for aa.com. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the A Advantages option you see on the top dashboard. You will then see the option for Use Miles. Tap on that. You will then be able to see all the advantages that you can redeem miles from American Airlines. You will have options such as upgrade to a higher cabin, book a hotel, book a rental, book a vacation, and many more. Select the most appropriate option for you. I will choose Fly with American. You will then see the option for Redeem Miles. Tap on that and now fill in the required details, that is, your departure and arrival, location and date, and other details as such, and tap on the search button to see if the dates meets your availability. Select the option that is best suited for you. You will then be shown with the detailed information about the flight. If you think everything in here meets your requirement, then tap on the Login and Continue button and further follow the on-screen prompts and your miles will be redeemed. So, this is how you can redeem American Airlines miles. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.